from Chinese auto giant BYD that has officially dethroned US EV giant Tesla as the world's leading EV seller. Amidst this raging EV war between both the players, what will be the impact of this on Indian EV maker companies? Let's revisit Nikuj Dalmia's take on the same.
The rise of BYD and decline of Tesla. These are two very large factors which really are at play. Now, one side there is BYD, which has made a roaring comeback this year, and on the other side there is Tesla. And this selling or this adjustment in the stock was always coming. With each passing day, BYD is only gaining market share and Tesla is losing market share. If one looks at the current revenue, BYD's revenue actually has now topped Tesla's revenue. And if one looks at the market cap comparison between Tesla and BYD is available at a fraction of a market cap that currently Tesla has. Then BYD, of course, has managed to go up the rank in terms of getting new battery technology, new chargers, affordability. They are able to gain market share, and their non-dominant markets, which is China and the European markets also, which in a sense where they have to face stiff resistance, they've managed to gain market share. So there you go. BYD's market share in China now stands at 32%. Tesla's market share is 6% now. And in US markets and other markets also, BYD seems to be really making a comeback. That's the market capitalization. For a company, Tesla has a market cap of about 1,000, let me round it off, about nearly $1 trillion. BYD is 155 billion. And look at the revenue and the margin profile. And the gap between BYD and Tesla, I think, seems to be reducing. Now, what that definitely means that if you have to connect the dots here and say that by usme what that means for India, that clearly means that this entire domination which Tesla had at a global level, that really became the first port of call if anybody at a global level wanted to buy into EV, I think that could change. Which means if companies like Tata Motors and Mahindra, if they're able to scale up, if they're able to get the act together, there could be re-rating which could happen. Mahindra has already gone on record and it said that they've had initial success with the EVs. 30,000 EVs have been booked. Similarly, Tata Motors, they're trying to get their entire value proposition right in the entire EV space. Bajaj Auto, two-wheelers in EV, commanding market share. So when a churn at a global level happens within a market leader, when a developed market leader like Tesla loses market share and both gets hit because of loses market share and also significant amount of market cap, and if moves to other side of the continent, then it automatically will have a spill-through effect on the other companies also, which in a sense are trying to do their bit in the emerging markets. So just like when things churn at a global level, just like FIs are coming back into emerging markets, I think there could be a re-rating in some of the EV passenger car stocks and also EV two-wheeler stocks, considering that money at global level will move out of the Teslas of the world.